What the heck? What is that?
Every night, satellites cross overhead. Meteors burn through the atmosphere. Drones fly through shared airspace. And most of the time, nobody is watching. That's about to change. This is SkySphere, an intelligent all-sky camera that continuously observes the sky above you. It detects and classifies everything that moves: satellites, meteors, aircraft, drones, and even unidentified aerial phenomena, automatically, using edge AI built right into the device. Your SkySphere connects to a global network of telescopes and cameras. Each observation is time-stamped, encrypted, and recorded on the blockchain, creating a tamper-proof map of the sky. The SkySphere is built for astronomers, educators, researchers, and anyone who has ever looked up and wondered what just crossed the sky.
At the SETI Institute, we believe exploration is a shared human endeavor. SkyMapper opens a new way for people around the world to participate directly in observing the sky.
We're launching SkySphere on Kickstarter, giving early backers priority access to the initial production units at an exclusive price. Every SkySphere that joins the network strengthens the entire system. More cameras, more coverage, more discoveries. Help us build the Internet of Astronomy. SkyMapper. Map all the sky, all the time.